Hello students, so again welcome back. In this video, we'll see another 25 MCQs on trigonometry. So first, last video again here that remember continue on both. So 25 along with again hints I will be telling. So I request you to subscribe my channel and please share with your friends. So first MCQ ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ if 2 sin theta plus pi by 3 is equal to cos theta minus pi by 6, then tan theta is asked. So ಎರಡು ಕಡೆ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡೋದು. So 2 sin a plus b. So sin a plus b ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿದ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿರಿ. sin a ಅಂದ್ರೆ sin theta into cos b cos pi by 3 plus cos theta into sin pi by 3 ಇದು LHS ಆಗುತ್ತೆ is equal to cos theta into cos pi by 6 plus sin theta into sin pi by 6 sin theta into sin pi by 6. So I applied formula on both LHS and RHS. So if I simplify this, so 2 into bracket pi by 3 is 60, cos 60 is 1 by 2, so this will be sin theta by 2 plus cos theta pi by 3 is 60, sin 60 is root 3 by 2, so root 3 cos theta divided by 2 bracket complete is equal to, so pi by 6 is 30, cos 30 is root 3 by 2, so root 3 cos theta by 2 plus pi by 6 is 30, sin 30 is 1 by 2, so you'll have sin theta by 2. So now if you observe all four terms are having a LCM as a 2, so 2 common cancel ಆಗ್ತದೆ. So ಇದು 2 ಒಳಗೆ ಇಂಟು ಮಾಡ್ಕೋತಾನೆ. So denominator ದಾಗಿನ 2 ಎಲ್ಲ ಏನಾಗ್ತಾರೆ ಕಾಮನ್ ತೆಗೆದ್ರೆ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ. So ಇದು 2 ಒಳಗೆ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ I will have 2 sin theta plus 2 root 3 cos theta. ಇದು ಈ ಕಡೆ ತಗೋತಾನೆ. So you will have minus root 3 cos theta minus sin theta is equal to 0. So another 2 steps you will have the answer. So 2 sin theta minus sin theta will be sin theta. Then 2 root 3 cos theta minus root 3 cos theta will be plus root 3 cos theta is equal to 0. So root 3 cos theta you take it to the RHS. So sin theta is equal to minus root 3 cos theta. ಎರಡು ಕಡೆ cos le divide ಮಾಡ್ರಿ, you will have tan theta. So tan theta is equal to minus root 3. So I'm dividing by cos theta, or a cos theta I have taken it to the LHS. So first the answer minus root 3. So minus root 3 is the answer. Clear adari? Next second one. So if 1 plus tan alpha into another bracket 1 plus tan 4 alpha is equal to 2, you are required to find the value of alpha. So if you remember in last video I had given hint, that is 1 plus tan A into another bracket 1 plus tan B is equal to 2, then always A plus B will be equal to 45. A plus B will be equal to 45. So similarly you can apply this hint to this problem. Here alpha you can think it as A, 4 alpha as B. So 1 plus tan A plus into 1 plus tan B is equal to 2 anta. Then A plus B is 45. So here you can say alpha plus 4 alpha is equal to 45 or pi by 4. So if I add, I will have 5 alpha is equal to, in radian 45 is pi by 4. 5 ikkade divide ಮಾಡ್ಕೊರಿ, so you'll get alpha is equal to pi by 20. Pi by 20. So answer is pi by 20, that is option 1. Clear adare? In just 2 steps you are able to solve. Third, sin A is equal to 1 by root 10, sin B is equal to 1 by root 5. A and B are positive acute angles, then A plus B is equal to anta kelana. Here I will have triangle. So right angle triangle 90, this I will take it as A. Sin A is 1 by root 10. So this is 1, hypotenuse is root 10. Pythagoras theorem apply madidre 10 minus 1 9, 9 is root, so adjacent will be 3. Similarly, if I take B, is B other, sin B is 1 by root 5. Is 1, hypotenuse is root 5. Again by Pythagoras theorem 5 minus 1 4, 4 square root 2. You are required to find A plus B. Now again here I will tell a shortcut. Just directly you can write the answer. Now if you observe in these two triangles, tan A is equal to 1 by 3 and here tan B is equal to 1 by 2. Even this is helpful in second year inverse trigonometric functions. Tan A is 1 by 3, tan B is 1 by 2. ಹಿಂಗೆ tan ದ ಎರಡು ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ 1 by 2 ಮತ್ತು 1 by 3 ಅಂತಿತ್ತಂತೇಳಿ, then always A plus B is 45. 1 by 2 ಮತ್ತು 1 by 3 ಅಂತಿತ್ತಂದ್ರೆ A plus B is 45. ಅಂದ್ರೆ answer is pi by 4, that is fourth one. Clear adari? Again further we have a problem where I will give you another hint over there. So next fourth ತಗೊಂಡ್ವಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ, fourth you are required to find value of the given expression. So ಎಲ್ಲ angles value ತುಂಬಕ್ಕೆ, you will have the answer. So 3 sin pi by 6. So 3 pi by 6 means 30, sin 30 is 1 by 2 into pi by 3 is 60, secant 60. Secant 60 ಅಂದ್ರೆ cos 60 is reciprocal 2 minus 4. Pi by 6 is 30, 30 into 5 150. So sin 150. 150 ಅಂದ್ರೆ 180 minus 30 sin 30. Second quadrant ಒಳಗೆ positive. So 1 by 2. Cot 45 is 1. So next step you will have the answer. So 2 cancel ಆಗ್ತದೆ 3 minus 4 ಮತ್ತು 2 cancel ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ 2, 3 minus 2 is 1. So option 2 is our answer. Option 2 is our answer. Clear adare? Next fifth one. Again here you are required to simplify. So first sin of minus 660. So sin ಒಳಗೆ minus ಬಂತಂದ್ರೆ sin of minus theta is minus sin theta. So this is minus sin 660. Tan 1050, I will keep it as it is, tan 1050. Secant of minus 420, secant ಒಳಗೆ minus ಬಂದ್ರೆ minus ಹೋಗ್ತದೆ. So this will be secant 420 divided by cos 225 into cosec 315 into cos 510. Now I will simplify this. So minus 660, I will write it as a sin 360 plus 300. 360 plus 300. Tan 1050 720 ಗಿಂತ ಹೆಚ್ಚದ. So 720 ಗಿಂತ ಎಷ್ಟು ಹೆಚ್ಚದ ನೋಡ್ರಿ, 720 ಗಿಂತ again it is 330. So sin 2 into 360 plus 330. Correct adari? Secant 420, it is greater than 360. So secant 360 plus 60 divided by cos 225. If you are able to remember directly, you can write. In one of the videos of hints on trigonometry, I have told there are formulas, of which link I will be giving in description box. So cos 225, you can write it as 180 180 plus 45 ಅಂತ ಬರಿಬೋದು. So it will be minus 1 by root 2. Cosec 315 ಅಂದ್ರೆ fourth quadrant minus ಆಗ್ತದೆ, that will be minus root 2. Cos 510 again it is greater than 360 plus ಎಷ್ಟು ಹೆಚ್ಚಾಗ್ತದೆ ನೋಡ್ರಿ, 460 ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಆಮೇಲೆ 150, so 150 it will be greater. So this is equal to, if I simplify, minus ಈಗ 360 or n into 360 ಇದು ಬಿಟ್ಬಿಡ್ತೇವೆ. So this will leave sin 300 means it will be in fourth quadrant, sin 60, so its value will be minus root 3 by 2. ಮತ್ತೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ 2 into 360 ಬಿಟ್ಬಿಡೋದು, 330 is in fourth quadrant, tan is negative, so 360 minus 30, so it will be minus 1 by root 3. Next again you leave this secant 60, cos 60 the reciprocal means it will be 2 divided by, so these two gets cancelled, root 2 minus becomes plus. Here again cos 360 plus 150, 360 ಬಿಟ್ಬಿಡ್ತೇನೆ, 150 means in second quadrant it is negative, 180 minus 30, so cos 30 is root 3 by 2. So simplify, so minus ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಹೋಗಿ plus ಆಗ್ತದೆ, then root 3 by 2 by root 3 gets cancelled, you will have answer 2 divided by root 3. So 2 divided by root 3 andre third one will be the answer, that is 2 by root 3. Clear adare? Next, sixth one. Again here you can apply hint, tan 45 plus theta into tan 45 minus theta. So you can apply the formula of tan a plus b tan a minus b one method. This hint ನೆನಪಿಡ್ರಿ, if a plus b is equal to 90, if you add both angles, if it is 90, then tan a into tan b will be equal to 1. Now here if you observe in the problem, 45 plus theta a andanga, 45 minus theta b andanga, so if you add 45 plus theta plus 45 minus theta add ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿರಿ, theta ಹೋಗ್ತದೆ, 45 plus 45 will have 90, so 90 ಅಂತ ಬಂತಂದ್ರೆ tan a into tan b, so will be equal to 1, ಅಂದ್ರೆ option 2 is our answer. Clear adare? Next, seventh ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ sin alpha plus beta is equal to 1, sin alpha plus beta is equal to 1 and sin alpha minus beta is equal to 1 by 2, then ಅಂತೇಳಿ ಕೇಳ. ಈಗ sin alpha plus beta is 1, sin 1 ಯಾವಾಗಿರ್ತದ್ರಿ 90 degree, so alpha plus beta is equal to 90, alpha plus beta is 90. Sin value 1 by 2 ಯಾವಾಗಿರ್ತದ 30, so alpha minus beta is equal to 30 degree, is equal to 30. Now if you solve this, you will get alpha and beta, then substitute in given expression. So it's solve ಮಾಡಿದ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ, beta cancel ಆಯ್ತು, 2 alpha is equal to 120, therefore alpha is equal to 60. First ದೊಳಗೆ ತುಂಬಿದಂತ beta is equal to 90 minus alpha, so 90 minus 60, so you will get beta is equal to 30 degree. Now you substitute those values in this expression. So tan alpha plus 2 beta andre 60, 60 plus 60 andre idu 120 ಆಗ್ತದೆ, into tan 2 alpha plus beta, 2 alpha andre 120 plus 30 is 150. Now you substitute the values. So 120 is written as 180 minus 60, so tan 60 second quadrant ಒಳಗಂದ್ರೆ negative is minus root 3. 150 ಅಂದ್ರೆ second quadrant, again tan is negative, 150 ಅಂದ್ರೆ 180 minus 30, so tan 30 is 1 by root 3, 1 by root 3. So minus into minus plus, root 3 cancel ಆಗ್ತದೆ, you will get answer 1, that is option A, or 1 is the our answer. Clear adari? Next, so find the value of cos 29 pi by 3. So now here, bhalast students, they try to convert that radian into degree and solve. It becomes lengthy and difficult. ರೇಡಿಯನ್ದಿಂದ ಡಿಗ್ರಿದಾಗ ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಇದೇನು ಆಂಗಲ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಾನಲ್ರಿ, ಇಫ್ ಯು ರೈಟ್ ಇನ್ ದಿಸ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್, ಸೊ ಸಪೋಸ್ ಏನು ಆಂಗಲ್ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಅಲೈಡ್ ಆಂಗಲ್ ದೊಡ್ಡದೇನಿರ್ತದೆ, ಈವನ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಇಂಟು ಪೈ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಥೀಟಾ ಅಂತ ಇತ್ತಂತ ಹೇಳಿರಿ, then directly this can be taken as theta. This can be taken as theta. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕಂಪಲ್ಸರಿ ಈವನ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಇರಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ 360 ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಅಂದಂಗೆ 2 ಪೈ 4 ಪೈ 6 ಪೈ ಈ ಟೈಪ್. ಈಗ 29 ಪೈ ಬೈ 3 ಅದ. ಸೊ 29 ಪೈ ಬೈ 3. If I divide this, this can be written as 3 9s are 27 ಆಗ್ತದೆ, but 9 is a odd number. So don't take 3 9s, 3 8s ತಗೋತೇನೆ. So 8 pi plus 3 8s 24 ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಉಳಿತ್ರಿ 5. So plus 5 pi by 3 ಅಂತ ಬರೀಬಹುದು. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ LCM ತಗೊಂಡು ನೋಡಿದ್ರೆ ಅಂತೇಳಿ ನೀವು 8 3s 24, 24 plus 5 is 29. ಈಗ ನಮ್ಮ ಮೆಥಡ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಅಥವಾ ಶಾರ್ಟ್ಕಟ್ ನನ್ನ ಮೆಥಡ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಇದು 8 pi ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಬಿಡೋದು. So this will be equal to 5 pi by 3. 5 pi by 3. Clear adari? ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಇನ್ನೊಮ್ಮೆ ನೋಡ್ಕೋರಿ ನೀವು. So 29 pi by 3 even number plus theta ಒಳಗಿಟ್ಟೆ. Now this can be written as ಇದೇನ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಾನೆ. So I can write this as cos 5 pi by 3. Now it becomes simple. Easily you can solve. So 5 pi by 3 ನೀವು ದಿಂದ ಡಿಗ್ರಿ ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. 5 by 3 is 60. 60 into 5 is 300. So this is cos 300. Fourth quadrant ಒಳಗೆ ಬರ್ತದೆ plus 360 minus 60 ಅಂದಂಗೆ. So plus cos 60. Cos 60 is 1 by 2. So option 4 is our answer. That is 1 by 2 is our answer. Clear adari? So same hint here what I have told. Now this hint you can use in the next problem also. 9th ಏನದರಲ್ಲ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿಫೈ ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ನೀವು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. ಈಗ 9th ದೊಳಗೆ ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ, so first if I simplify this, tan 35 pi by 6 ಅದ. 6 5s are 30, 6 6 are 36. So 6 5s ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಬರೋದಿಲ್ಲ. 6 4s, 6 4s are 24 ಆಗ್ತದೆ. So tan 4 pi 24 plus 11 pi by 6. 6 4s are 24, 24 plus 11 will be 35. So ಇದು sign ಒಳಗೆ minus ಬಂದ್ರೆ minus ಹೊರಗೆ ಬರ್ತದೆ. So I will be writing minus here. This is sin 11 pi by 3. 11 pi by 3. Similarly secant ಒಳಗೆ minus ಬಂದ್ರೆ minus ಹೋಗ್ತದೆ. So it will be secant 7 pi by 3. Whole divided by 5 pi by 4. Next change ಮಾಡೋಣ. So I will keep it as it is 5 pi by 4. Then cosec 7 pi by 4. 7 pi by 4. Then 17 other 6 2s are 12. So cos 2 pi plus 6 2s are 12. 17 ಆಗಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ 5 pi by 6 plus 5 17. Now you find the values, you will have the answer. So again in our method you leave this one 4 pi ಬಿಟ್ಬಿಡೋದು. Pi by 6 is 30. Tan 330. So this is minus tan 330. Or directly you can write the value if you are perfect. Pi by 3 is 60. So 60 into 11 is 660. Or here also I could have done 11 pi by 3 another 3 2s are 6. So 2 pi plus 5 by 6 ಅಂತ ಬರೀಬಹುದು. Sorry, pi by 3. 3 2s are 6, 6 5 11. So 2 pi ಹೋಗ್ತದೆ. So 5 pi by 3 ಉಳಿತದೆ. Sin pi by 3 is 60, 6 5s are 30 means sin 300 ಆಗ್ತದೆ. Secant ಇಲ್ಲಿಯೂ ನಾವು ಬರಿಬೋದಿತ್ತು. So this is 2 pi plus 3 to the 6 under pi by 3. So 2 pi again it goes. So I can write it as secant pi by 3 under 60 divided by cot 5 pi by 4. ಈಗ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡ್ರಿ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಹಿಂಟ್ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಇದು x axis y axis. ಈಗ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವು ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ here you will have pi by 4, here you will have 3 pi by 4, here you will have 5 pi by 4, and here you will have 7 pi by 4. So cot 5 pi by 4 ಅಂದ್ರೆ third quadrant cot value ಇಲ್ಲಿ 1 ಇರ್ತದೆ. So this will be 1. Cosec 7 pi by 4 ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂತು, cosec will be negative. So 45 value ಅಂದಂಗ here it will be minus root 2. So cosec is minus root 2. Again I will leave this 2 pi. So cos pi by 6 is 30. 30 into 5 is 150. So cos 150. These values tumbri, you will have the answer. So either minus cancel. Tan 330. Fourth quadrant under negative. So 360 minus 30 means this will be 1 by root 3. Sin 300 under fourth quadrant adu minus irtade, minus 60 and so this will be root 3 by 2 into secant 60. Cos 60 is reciprocal 2. So this whole divided by root 2 cos 150. Second quadrant again it will be minus 180 minus 30. So this will be root 3 by 2. Root 3 by 2. So simplify Mandri, you will have the answer. So here minus into minus numerator plus denominator minus udite. So you will have answer in minus. Here minus one the other. So second is the answer. You better solve and nodri. You will have the same value. That is second one will be the answer. 10th tondra. 10th one. If sin theta plus cosec theta is equal to 2, then sin square theta plus cosec square theta is antantana. Ega this you square on both sides. So squaring both sides and then LHS will be sin square theta plus cosec square theta plus 2 sin theta into cosec theta is equal to equal square adre idu 4. Sin is reciprocal cosec ada, so itrad value enagtadri 1. So 2 ee kade togori, you will have the answer. So sin square theta plus cosec square theta 4 minus 2 will be equal to 2. So 2 you take it to the RHS and subtract, you will have the answer. So andre nandil option olaga 3 is the answer. That is 2 on. 11th, if tan A is less than 1 mod of tan A, then antheli kotta. So again directly you substitute the formulas. Formula gottirbeku main andre. So root of 1 plus sin 2a. Root of 1 plus sin 2a is cos a plus sin a. Then root of 1 minus sin 2a is cos a minus sin a. So if you are not knowing, note down the formula. Root of 1 plus sin 2a is cos a plus sin a. Root of 1 minus sin 2a is cos a minus sin a. So similarly, denominator same ಆಗ್ತದೆ. 1 plus sin 2a will be cos a plus sin a. ಆಮೇಲೆ denominator ಒಳಗೆ minus 1 minus sin 2a is cos a minus sin a. Mostly here printing error that this plus has to be minus. So ಇದು minus ಅಂತ ತಗೊಂಡೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ minus cos a plus sin a ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. Minus cos a plus sin a. So numerator ಒಳಗೆ sin a gets cancelled. Denominator ಒಳಗೆ cos a cancel ಆಗ್ತದೆ. So here you have 2 cos a. ಆಮೇಲೆ denominator will be 2 sin a. 2 cancel ಆಗ್ತದೆ. You will get answer cot A ಅಂತ. You will get cot A. Clear ಅದರಿ? Suppose numerator ಒಳಗೆ minus denominator ಒಳಗೆ plus ಇತ್ತಂದ್ರೆ ಅವಾಗ tan A ಬರ್ತದೆ. So grace ಅಂದಂಗೆ. This one is grace ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ printing ಒಳಗೆ mistake ಅದ. 2 plus ಅಂತದ cancel ಆಗಿ you will get 1 ಅಂದಂಗೆ. So printing mistake is there in this one. Now 12th. So tan theta is equal to 1 by root 7. So you are required to find value of this. So ಮತ್ತೆ triangle ಹಾಕಿ ನೀವು cosec substitute ಮಾಡಬಹುದು, but I will simplify this. Easy ಆಗ್ತದೆ. Cosec square theta is 1 by sin square theta. Secant square theta is 1 by cos square theta. Hanga divided by 1 by sin square theta plus 1 by cos square theta. So LCM ಮೇಲೆ numerator में denominator cancel ಆಗ್ತದೆ sin square theta cos square theta. So numerator becomes cos square theta minus sin square theta. ಆಮೇಲೆ denominator ಏನಾಗ್ತದ್ರಿ cos square theta plus sin square theta. So now numerator is formula of cos 2 theta, denominator is 1, so this will be equal to cos 2 theta. Cos 2 theta. So cos 2 theta in terms of tan bariri. 1 minus tan square theta by 1 plus tan square theta. Cos 2 theta formula in terms of tan 1 minus tan square theta by 1 plus tan square. Substitute, you will have the answer 1 minus tan theta 1 by root 7 anta kottane. So square madidre 1 by 7. Denominator ಏನಾಗ್ತದೆ 1 plus 1 by 7. LCM ತಕೊಂಡ್ಮೇಲೆ 7 7 cancel ಆಗ್ತದೆ. 7 minus 1 will be 6. 7 plus 1 will be 8. So this is equal to 3 by 4. Option 2 is the answer. Option 2 is the answer. Clear adare? Next 13th ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ 13th, if in two circles arc of same length ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಎರಡೂದ್ರೊಳಗೆ arc length same ಅದ, S1 is equal to S2. Subtend an angle theta 1 is equal to 30 ಕೊಟ್ಟಾನೆ, theta 2 is equal to 78 ಕೊಟ್ಟಾನೆ. You are required to find ratio of their radian. So I will write R1 theta 1 is equal to R2 theta 2. So R1 by R2 is equal to theta 2 by theta 1. Substitute madri, you will have the answer. Theta 2 is 78, theta 1 is 30. So ಎಷ್ಟರಲ್ಲೇ ಹೋಗ್ತದೆ ನೋಡ್ರಿ, ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ, you will have the answer. So simplify ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಎಷ್ಟರಲ್ಲೇ ಹೋಗ್ತದೆ ನೋಡ್ರಿ. So first 78 3 ಲೇ ಹೋಗ್ತದೆ ನೋಡ್ರಿ. So 3 2s are 6, 1 carry 3 6 18, ಆಮೇಲೆ ಇದು 10. ಮತ್ತೆ 2 ಲೇ ಹೋಗ್ತದ್ರಿ, 2 1s are 2 3s are 2 5s are. So 13 by 5 ಅಂದ್ರೆ option 2 is the answer. Option 2 is the answer. Clear ada? Next 14th, if I take 14th, so the angles of quadrilateral are in AP anta. So if I take a quadrilateral, there are 4 angles and sum of those 4 angles will be 360. So AP what means arithmetic progression. I will write 4 angles as x minus 3d, next x minus d, and next x plus d, and last x plus 3d. So this one angle, this second, this third, this fourth. If you add all these, you will have 360. So you will observe madidre plus 3d minus 3d cancel ಆಗ್ತದೆ, dd cancel ಆಗ್ತದೆ. You will have 4x is equal to 360. So 4 le divide ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ x equal to 90. X equal to 90. This 1. Then what he says, the greatest angle is double of the least. So x plus 3d is the greatest, x minus 3d is the least. The greatest angle is double the least antana. Andre x plus 3d is double the x minus 3d. X minus 3d. ಈಗ x ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ತುಂಬುತ್ತೇನೆ, d ಸಿಗ್ತದೆ. So 90 plus 3d is equal to ಒಳಗೆ ಇಂಟು ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ 2 into bracket 90 minus 3d. So if you solve this, you will have the answer. So simplify ಮಾಡಿದ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿರಿ ನನಗೆ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಸಿಗ್ತದೆ. So if I multiply 90 plus 3d is equal to 180 minus 6d. So ಇದು ಈ ಕಡೆ ತಗೊಂಡೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ 9d is equal to 90. So I will get d is equal to 10. So d is equal to 10 is the second. Find least angle ಅಂತಾನೆ. So least ಅಂದ್ರೆ smallest, that is x minus 3d. X is 90 minus 30, that is equal to 60. 16 is 5 by 3 under option 2. Option 2. Next one, 15th. Secant theta is equal to ಕೊಟ್ಟಾನೆ. You are required to find tan theta by 2. So if I simplify secant theta is equal to ಏನಾಗ್ತದ್ರಿ 5 by 4. So reciprocal ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ cos theta is equal to 4 by 5. So from this you can say that sin theta is equal to 3 by 5. ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ Pythagorean numbers. ಈಗ tan theta by 2 ಬರೀರಿ. ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಗೊತ್ತಿರಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಹಿಂಟ್ ಅಂತ ನೆನಪಿಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. tan theta by 2 is given by sin theta divided by 1 plus cos theta. Easiest formula, right? Tan theta by 2. Now substitute the values, you will have the answer. So sin theta is 3 by 5. Cos theta is 1 plus 4 by 5. After taking LCM, 5 gets cancelled. 3 by 5 plus 4, 9. Cancel, you will get 1 by 3. So option 1 is our answer. Option 1 is our answer. Clear adare? So next 16th, if we see secant x is equal to 25 by 24, he has given, means cos x is equal to 24 by 25 and is in first quadrant. So again, Pythagorean numbers you should know. So if I take this as x, cos x, so base is 24, hypotenuse is 25 and the opposite 7. 7, 24, 25 is the Pythagorean number. Then sin x by 2 plus cos x by 2 has asked. So ಈಗ ಈ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಗೊತ್ತಿರಬೇಕು ನಿಮಗೆ. a plus b whole square ಅಂದಂಗೆ sin x by 2 plus cos x by 2 get square. So you'll have a square plus b square plus 2ab. So a square plus b square andre illi 1 ಆಗ್ತದೆ, plus you will have 2 sin x by 2 into cos x by 2, that is formula of sin x. So you'll have 1 plus sin x. So substitute madri 1 sin x from the triangle, that is 7 by 25. 7 by 25. Now take LCM. So 25 plus 7. 25 plus 7 is 32. 32 by 25. So this is sin x plus cos x bracket square. Therefore sin x sin x by 2 plus cos x by 2 will be equal to square root of this. So root tondra root 32 divided by 5. So root 32 can be written as 16 2s under 4 root 2 divided by 5. Options check madri. So in not even single option there is root 2 in the numerator. So rationalize ಅಥವಾ conjugate le into ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ this will be 4 into 2 divided by 5 root 2. That is 8 by 5 root 2. Conjugate le into ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಅಂದಮೇಲೆ option 2 is our answer. Option 2 is our answer. Clear adare? Next ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ if a and b are supplementary angles, then sin square a by 2 plus sin square b by 2 can. So this word you should know, supplementary means a plus b is equal to 180. Supplementary means a plus b is equal to 180. Therefore a by 2 plus b by 2 is equal to 90 degree. A by 2 plus b by 2 is 90. So this is the shortcut use madri, which I had told in the last video. So if you add these two angles and it is 90, then the value will be 1. That is, E type na hint ಹೇಳಿದ್ದೆ. If a plus b is equal to 90, then you will have sine square a plus sine square b is equal to 1 ante. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ a by 2 plus b by 2 is 90. So sine square a by 2 plus sine square b by 2 will be equal to 1. Sine square a by 2 plus sine square b by 2 will be equal to 1. So option 2 is our answer. Clear there? Next 18th. So here again if you observe 80 degree ada, 10 degree ada, 70 degree. So denominator 70 I can write it as 80 minus 10. So tan 80 minus tan 10. So denominator I will write it as tan 70, I will write it as 80 minus 10. So numerator you keep as it is, denominator tan a minus b formula. Tan 80 minus tan 10. So denominator formula apply madidra tan a minus b is tan a minus tan b divided by this male bartada 1 plus tan a into tan b, tan 10 degree. So this term gets cancelled. So remains is 1 plus tan 80 into tan 10. Again if you observe here, if ಎರಡು angle add ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ 90 ಆಗ್ತದ್ರಿ, then this will be equal to 1. That is, if a plus b is 90, then tan a into tan b is equal to 1. Is hint ಮತ್ತೆ ಬರೆದಿಟ್ಕೋರಿ. So if sum of two angles is 90, a plus b is equal to 90, then you will have tan a into tan b will be equal to always 1. So if you apply here, it will be 1 plus 1, 1 plus 1 is 2. So 2 is our answer under option 3 ante agtade. That is option 3 is our answer. Clear adare? Next, this is standard 19th. Directly ನೆನಪಿಡ್ರಿ, ಇದು ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ tan alpha plus beta ಅಂತ ಹಚ್ಚಬೇಕು. So if you observe here, m and m plus 1, these are two consecutive numbers. Two consecutive numbers. If for example numerator 1 idre denominator 2 ಅಂದಂಗ, ಆಮೇಲೆ ಇದು 1 by 2 m plus 1 ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿರಿ, 1 by 2m plus 1 ಏನದರಲ್ಲ, ಇವು ಎರಡುತ್ರದ್ದು ಸಮ್ ಅದ. ಎರಡುತ್ರದ್ದು ಸಮ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ m ಮತ್ತೆ m plus 1 ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೇವೆ ಅಂದಂಗ, you will get 2m plus 1. So if I take 1 by 2, ಇಲ್ಲಿ example 1 by 2 ಮತ್ತು 1 ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ 3. So ಈ type ಬಂತಂತ ಹೇಳಿರಿ, then direct answer, that is alpha plus beta will be always equal to 45 or 5 by 4. So option 4 is our answer. So you remember this as a hint, so which will be helpful even in second year. That is m by m plus 1 ಆಮೇಲೆ 1 by 2 m plus 1 ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಇತ್ತಂತ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ 20th ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ, ಸೊ 20th ಮತ್ತೆ ಬೇರೆ ಬೇರೆ ಮೆಥಡ್ದಿಂದ ನೀವು ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. ಕಾಟ್ ಇದ್ದದ್ದು ಟ್ಯಾನ್ ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊರಿ, ಅಥವಾ ಅಲ್ಫಾ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ, ಯಾವುದು ಟೈಪ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು, ಯು ವಿಲ್ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ದಿ ಆನ್ಸರ್. ಸೊ ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಅದ. ಸೊ ನ್ಯೂಮರೇಟರ್ ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಕೀಪ್ ಆಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್, ಡಿನಾಮಿನೇಟರ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೇನೆ, ಟ್ಯಾನ್ ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋತೇನೆ. ಸೊ ನ್ಯೂಮರೇಟರ್ ಆಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ tan 45 plus alpha plus tan 45 minus alpha, 45 minus alpha. So denominator cot iddide I will convert it into tan. So 1 by tan 45 plus alpha plus 1 by tan 45 minus alpha, 45 minus alpha. So denominator LCM togori. After taking LCM, this denominator comes to the numerator. So if I write here, it will be tan 45 plus alpha plus tan 45 minus alpha divided by LCM ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಇದೆ ಈ ಕಡೆ tan 45 minus alpha ಆಮೇಲೆ ಈ ಕಡೆ tan 45 plus alpha ಆಮೇಲೆ ಇದು ಎರಡು ಇಂಟು ಆಗಿದ್ದು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನ್ಯೂಮರೇಟರ್ ಬರ್ತದೆ. ಸೊ ಹಿಯರ್ ಯು ವಿಲ್ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ tan 45 plus alpha into tan 45 minus alpha. Here other step. So in denominator I have taken LCM, then after that the term comes to the numerator. So now if you observe here, these gets cancelled at the same adava idashte udittu. Again if you see here, if you add these two angles, add madidre you are getting 90 degree. ಮೇಲಿನ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ದಾಗ ಹಿಂಟ್ ಹೇಳಿದ 90 ಡಿಗ್ರಿ ಆಯ್ತಂದ್ರೆ ಇದ್ರ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಏನಾಗ್ತದ್ರಿ 1 ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಆಗ್ತದೆ. ಸೊ 45 ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಅಲ್ಫಾ 45 ಮೈನಸ್ ಅಲ್ಫಾ ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ 90 ಆಗ್ತದೆ. ಸೊ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ 1 ಈಸ್ ಅವರ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್. ಆಪ್ಷನ್ 1 ಈಸ್ ಅವರ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್. ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ ಅದ? ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ 21st ಇದು ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಅದ. ಇನ್ ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗಲ್ ಎ ಬಿ ಸಿ ಅಂತಾನೆ. ಸೊ ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗಲ್ ಎ ಬಿ ಸಿ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ if you add a plus b plus c, it will be equal to 180 degree. So I will substitute sin a. A is equal to 180 minus b plus c anta baribodu. 180 minus b plus c. Now apply sin on both side. Eradu kade sin apply madri. So sin a will be equal to, so this is sin a will be equal to sin 180 minus b plus c. So sin 180 minus theta is sin theta. So this will be sin b plus c. So direct then you are having the formula. So this is important, that is sin b plus c plus sin b minus c. Sin b minus c. So sum and product rule athwa transformation formula in the s plus s will be 2sc anta bartada. That is 2 sin b into cos c ante. So option 3 is our answer. So formula dinda 2 sin b cos c ante ಆಗ್ತದೆ. So that is our answer. Next 22nd ತಗೊಂಡ್ವಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ. So similarly ಹಿಂದೆ ನೋಡಿರ್ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ 10th ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಬಿಡ್ಸೇನ ಸೇಮ್ ಮೆಥಡ್ ಫಾಲೋ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. ಒಂದು ಎಲ್ಸ್ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಬೈ ಲಾಜಿಕ್ ಇದು ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಮೆಥಡ್. sin theta plus cosec theta is equal to 2 ಅಂತ ಕೊಟ್ಟಾನೆ. So if you observe or if you take standard angles, ಇದರಿಂದ ನೀವು ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು theta is equal to 90 because sin 90 is 1, cosec 90 is 1, 1 plus 1 ಏನಾಗ್ತದೆ 2. Now substitute in this expression. So sin raised to 8 theta under 1 raised to 8 plus cosec raised to 8 adu 1 ಆಗ್ತದೆ 1 raised to 8. So 1 raised to 8 is 1. So 1 plus 1 is 2. So 2 is our answer. Andre option 1. It's second method. Right? First method 10th problem ಒಳಗೆ ಹೇಳೇನ square ಮಾಡೋದು. So this is another method which you can use. Clear adari? Next ತಗೊಂಡಂತ ಹೇಳಿರಿ. Next one. Which of the following equations has no solution ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾನೆ. Which of the following equation has no solution ಅಥವಾ ಯಾವುದು wrong ಅದ. So first if you take option 1. Secant theta 23 ಅಂತ ಕೊಡ್ತಾನೆ. So reciprocal ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ cos theta is 1 by 23. So this is less than 1. Cos of the value will be less than or equal to 1. So it has a solution. So ಇದಕ್ಕೆ solution ಅದ. Cos theta root 2 ಅಂತ ಕೊಟ್ಟಾನ second. Root 2 is 1.414. So this is not less than or equal to 1. Means this has no solution because cos value will be less than or equal to 1. So option 2 is our answer. Tan theta 1 by 7 ಆಗ್ಬೋದು minus 1 by 5 ಆಗ್ಬೋದು. So ಹಂಗಾಗಿ ನಮ್ದು ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಏನಾಗ್ತದ್ರಿ 2 ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಆಗ್ತದೆ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ 24th ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಅದ. if you observe cos 1 cos 2 cos 3 so on ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ cos 1 cos 2 cos 3 so on up to cos 179. So here in middle you will have cos 90. ಒಳ ನಡುವೆ ಏನು ಬರ್ತದೆ cos 90 ಬರ್ತದೆ. cos 90 is 0. So 0 into anything will be again 0. So answer is 0 on that. So option 2. So cos 90 ಅಂತ ನಡು ಬರ್ತದೆ 1 2 3 4 ಹಿಂಗೆ cos 90 0. So 0 ನೀವು ಏನು ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ you will get 0. Last one, tan theta is equal to minus 4 by 3 ಅಂತ ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ. So tan theta is negative in which quadrant? Is negative in second and fourth quadrant. Second and fourth quadrant. So sin theta ನಮಗೆ second quadrant ಒಳಗೆ ಈಗ ನಾ sin theta ತಗೊಂಡೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿರಿ. Second quadrant ಒಳಗೆ sin positive, fourth quadrant ಒಳಗೆ sin negative. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಒಂದು ಆನ್ಸರ್ ನಂದು ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಇರಬೇಕು, ಒಂದು ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಮೈನಸ್ ಇರಬೇಕು. So just observe the options. So tan theta 4 by 3 ಅದ ಮತ್ತು Pythagorean number ಅದ. Sorry, tan theta is equal to 4 by 3 ಅದ. I have left negative sign. So sin theta will be equal to 4 by 5. Pythagorean numbers triangle ಹಾಕ್ರಿ, ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಬರಲಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ sin theta 4 by 5. So ಒಂದು plus 4 by 5, ಒಂದು minus 4 by 5. So plus 4 by 5 and minus 4 by 5 ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇದ್ರೊಳಗೆ second is our answer. Clear adare? Hope it is helpful to you all students. So I request you to subscribe my channel and share with all your friends so that it will be helpful for them also, for me also, and for you also. Again in next video we'll come with another topic and shortcuts for that.